maayad na dalauman Sir Landy, yan asiri ang gaon. Kaluwaan daw umon, so daw edad ko. If I would compare myself to an animal, I would compare myself to an owl. Because owls are thinkers, analytical, and family-oriented. They thrive on environments that requires careful planning and precision during this difficult time. Owls likely spend time honing their skills, learning new things, and perfecting their craft. Indigenous people are people who lived their lands before it was conquered, invaded, or settled. They are called natives. I expect in this subject to know deep the principles and history of indigenous people. My unforgettable experience are number 1, kanang katong akadlok og tulon sa gipatulon ko Lisa Santol na nahadlok ko na nagilaka ko. Number 2 is sige ko gapason sa una sir kay lagan gay ko. Sige may kaligo sa sapa sa kumami ko sa igpanding. Number 4 sir, nagkabuwag-buwag mi sa among mga amigo kinang graduate na. Kung number 5 experience is katong gabi na kay ko nakauli ikan sa eskwelahan na 5 kilometers naman, so grabe na kong dagan jogging, nakamulo ko jogging, kamulo sa kampo kay kuan tag-asa kay akong kuan kanang balibo. Murag na ay balbal kasunod-sunod hadlok kay sa mga kay lasang ang agyanan napauli pa sa bukid. Next is Lupang Hinirang is a national anthem of the Philippines expressing patriotism and love for country, its struggle for independence and rich cultural heritage, invoking hope and beauty to cherish and protect the country. Second is ecumenical prayer with 3 different prayer of 3 different culture. First is Igaunon, pagalang sa kalikasan, puno, ilog at bundok, tradisyon sa sayaw, musika at ritual. Ang Diyos magbabaya, di malamat, ibabasog at iba pang mga espiritu. Second is Muslim prayer known as Salah or Namaz, an act of worship of Islam, a way of Muslim to connect with Allah, to seek guidance, forgiveness, and blessing. Third is Christianity, expressing gratitude, love, and devotion to God by prayer, singing hymns and psalms, reading scriptures, communion, and fellowships.